Today we will learn the scrunchie and how to add pearls. Hello everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to make crochet scrunchie and even how to add pearl in it. So let's start. First you will thread needle into your yarn. Now you can thread pearl into your yarn. Thread pearl into your yarn. Okay, it's depend on you how many you want, you can thread it. Now push back these pearl and start making scrunchie. Take a rubber band and tie a knot around it. Start making single crochet until you cover this rubber band. Make it tight and push little towards the beginning. So you can make it tight. Okay, so you will make it this way till you completely cover the rubber band. Okay. After covering the rubber band, one round is over. Now I'll start second round. In one stitch you have to make 2 double crochet. Go to the next stitch and make 2 double crochet in that stitch. You have to make 2 double crochet in each stitch and cover your rubber band completely till you reach the first double crochet. Okay. 2 double crochet in the second last one. Two double crochet in the last one. Crochet in the last one. Round 3. You have to make 3 double crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, and 3. This way you will make complete round. After making 3 double crochet in each stitch, okay, once you complete this much, okay, now we are not measuring anything, we are just making according to the pattern. So I'll insert pearl here. As I've already thread the pearl inside the yarn, I'll bring it close. One loop is there on your crochet hook. Now bring this pearl here and then keep it here. Make one loop. try to keep it in front, and then make one loop, okay, and make one double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet, then second. Now only 2 stitches are remaining, so let's make this 3 double crochet in the second last stitch. Okay, now 3 double crochet in the last stitch. Then slip stitch in the last stitch. Cut the long yarn, take it behind, and just make one loop randomly and cut the excess thread. Your scrunchie is ready.